Hi, this is Rakesh Rani watching Dell Technology. In this video, we will show you if you are facing secure boot issue in your Dell workstation or Dell desktop. So this video is for you. So maybe you are facing this issue, and after every reboot it is coming here. So you just need to restart your machine by selecting F1 or Control or Delete, and then you have to press F2. With that you will go inside BIOS. Then over here you have to select secure boot option, left panel. So just click on the plus sign, then click on secure boot enable option. Here we have two options, disable and enable. So it is enable right now, so basically you have to disable this option, then click on yes, then apply and then okay. So just save it and then exit, and it will restart again. So now it will normally boot. I have already installed a server 22 data center edition on this machine. So let's see whether it is starting or not. So it is rebooting now. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. We will reply to all the comments, and we will resolve all your issues. If you have any doubt or if you are facing any other issue, comment below. So it is almost rebooted. It is showing the cursor, that means it is done. So as you can see, it is rebooted. So it is a data center edition. If you're new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.